In this video, I'll show you how to create a game pass in Roblox. Many new creators don't know where to find this option, or how to make their game pass available for players. I'll guide you through the entire process step by step. Let's get started. Open your web browser. Go to roblox.com. Sign in to your Roblox account. If you don't have an account, create one first. After signing in, click Create. This will open the Roblox Creator dashboard. Click Creations. If you don't have an experience yet, click Create Experience. Choose any template you like. Enter a name for your experience. Then click Create Experience. Once your experience has been created, you will see it under My Experiences. Open your experience. Click Monetization. Select Passes. Click Create a Pass. Upload an image for your game pass. A square JPG or PNG image works best. Enter a name for your game pass. Choose a name that clearly tells players what they're buying. You can also add a description if you like. A good description helps players understand what the game pass includes. When you're ready, click Create Pass. Your game pass has now been created. Open your new game pass. Open the Sales tab. Turn on Item for Sale. Enter the amount of Robux you want to charge. Choose a price that matches the value of your game pass. Below the price, turn on Manage Pricing. This automatically adjusts the price for supported regions. When you're ready, click Save Changes. Your game pass is now available for players to purchase. If your game pass doesn't appear in your game, refresh the game first, or leave and join the experience again. If it still doesn't appear, go back to your experience. Click Settings. Open the Audience tab. Change your experience to public. Then click Save Changes. Your game pass should now be available to players. That's it. You now know how to create a game pass in Roblox. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video. Subscribe to Guidify for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.